Hello viewers and welcome to this week's edition of Tech Tips. Today we're going to go over how we can place whole series in a floor panel. So the main two commands we'll be looking at today are going to be the project whole series to create our whole types and the marker lines to place our whole types. So if we go to the first one, you can see I already have a rectangular hole created with an adjusted geometry. If I also wanted to create a round hole, I would just simply have to say create new and choose my hole profile. After the fact, I could always adjust the geometry of the hole, offset it from the center of my joist, and input a CNC code for the specific hole punch. So I have two hole types created in my floor. I'm just going to say OK, and I can now go ahead and place them with my marker lines. So those of you who may have seen an earlier tech tip could also assign bridging with marker lines. But today I'm just going to place my whole series. We have two spacing options. The first one will just be at regular spacing. Could also align it to a benchmark if I needed to. I'm just going to equally space it with a maximum distance of 3 feet in between my holes on my floor panel. Once I say OK, I'll have these perpendicular model lines in my floor, and to have them be visible, I just have to regenerate my panel. So as you can see, I have my rectangular holes placed roughly 3 feet apart along my floor panel. The other nice thing with these model lines, if I decide to bring a line back, maybe I want to delete a specific row of holes, I just have to bring that line, remove it with my keyboard, just the simple delete key, and regenerate my panel. And there you have it. We have a removed hole series, and I've also removed my holes from my first two members in the panel.